What's good, Instagram and YouTube? Fix for the S6 here once again, or Remy Gun. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today, like I said in the past, I was going to be putting some black rings on the front of the car. They finally got here the right size. I had gotten a previous pair before and they didn't fit. They actually broke on me, so I only got like half a refund from when I returned them. Apparently they broke on me. I didn't even know, but they sent me a message saying they had broken. But yeah, it's going to be a pretty easy installation today. Actually, I've already taken this off beforehand, so I had to just use 3M double-sided sticky tape to put it back on, because I actually ended up breaking all the tabs off that go around here. So it's going to be really easy pulling it off for you guys today, and getting this whole thing on. It should be, at least. The back end might be a little bit more difficult, just because that's going to require some glue removal and some precise, I think, using of some floss. Apparently floss works pretty well to get behind the emblem and pull it off once you've heated the glue up. But yeah, so I think it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna look great. Should go with the car pretty well, obviously with the black and chrome and silver theme going on. But yeah, I think we'll get started here. So like I said, we're just gonna probably pry this off with a little trim tool. If you guys don't have a set of trim tools yet, I highly recommend you get some, just because they come in handy. So yeah, just like that. I mean, that's the set of tabs and clips that you can see in here. You know, I think everything's gonna fit in these ones right there pretty well. I mean, right off the bat, you can see it's the right size ring set. And then, so I got this from a company, Carbon Motorsports in the UK, and they actually list them as the Q7 rings. So it's funny, I got these ones, and a back set, and the Q7 tag too. So, you know, it was very strange, but I think pretty much just gonna clip right on into here. Alright, that took a little longer than expected, but I mean, they're sitting on there. I have to figure out how to close this side a little bit. I broke the tabs off just on this side here. I mean, it looks like it's gonna stay for now. Not too shabby. All right, well, yeah, like I said, that's for the front. All right, we'll move on to the back. It's a beautiful